This is the probability module 7 and 8, numbers 15 through 17. Number 15, we have marbles drawn out of a bag. We are drawing out red, yellow, green, and blue marbles. And the question asks, what is the probability that we're going to draw out a yellow marble? So right off I know that my numerator is going to be 14. So that's the number of yellow marbles that I've drawn. Now my total, I have to add up 12 plus 14 plus 16 and 18 to give me a total. And I have a total of 60 marbles, so my probability is 14 out of 60, which does reduce to 7 over 30. Number 15 asked me about how I could predict or use a simulation to predict some outcomes. I have 3 equal outcomes and I want to use 1 dice only. So if I need 3 outcomes, I need to make sure that those 6 sides are equally representative of the 3 different outcomes. So if I have outcomes 1, 2, and 3, then I've got to have 3 different ways that I divide the dice. So I could say that sides number 1 and 2 equal 1 outcome, sides number 3 and 4 equal another outcome, and sides number 5 and 6 equal my 3rd outcome. Or you could divide your numbers and mix your numbers up any way you want, but 2 sides have to equal 1 outcome for there to be 3 possible solutions or 3 possible ways. So a lot of students like to think of odds and evens, but remember that even and odds would only give me 2 outcomes. If I just did even numbers and odd numbers, I only have 2 ways to divide it. Alright, number 17, we are flipping a coin and spinning a spinner. Our spinner is divided into 4 equal sections. Colors are red, yellow, green, and orange. And I need a sample space of all the possible outcomes. So I'm looking at my coin, which the 2 sides on a coin are heads and tails, and the 4 different colors, orange, green, yellow, and red. And I can look at the number of possibilities. If I draw a chart, heads and tails, I can fill in my chart all the way across with the number of times I could flip heads and tails, and then I also could add the colors to see all the possible ways. So if I look at my chart, I have 8 total possibilities. There are 8 different ways that I can combine a head or tail plus my spinner with the 4 different colors. I also can remember that compound probability means I take the number of possibilities of each of the probabilities, which sample space for a coin is 2. 2 possibilities. There are 4 different colors, and 2 times 4, compound probability, we multiply. Whoops, had to fix that. 2 times 4 is 8, not 2 times 8. So my final answer is 8, or you could have given me the 8 possible outcomes, but the sample space is 8, or you could draw the chart. And that concludes our set of tutorials for the probabilities test. Have a great night or day.